नमस्कार, मेरा नाम अभिषेक और चार्ट मोजो की इस नई वीडियो में आपका स्वागत है। जब से हमने इस YouTube चैनल की शुरुआत की है, आवर फोकस हैज़ बीन अ लॉट ऑन प्रोवाइडिंग यू कंटेंट रिलेटेड टू ट्रेडिंग बिहेवियर, लाइक हाउ टू पुट स्टॉप लॉस, हाउ टू मेक योर ट्रेडिंग जर्नल एंड सच वीडियोस. Those topics reflects your trading behavior, your trading psychology. And the reason why it was so important to give those videos was that you might have your trading strategy in place, but अगर आपका mindset optimal ना हो तो you might even end up in loss because आप अपने trading strategy को properly implement नहीं कर पाते. आई होप आपने वो सारे वीडियोस को अच्छे से देखा होगा एंड यू हैव इवन स्टार्टेड इम्प्लीमेंटिंग थिंग्स लाइक मेकिंग योर ट्रेडिंग जर्नल, अपडेटिंग योर ट्रेडिंग जर्नल, putting a stop loss, and knowing your trading style, which works for you, which doesn't work for you, and such things. अब हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं एक ब्रांड न्यू सीरीज जिसका नाम है टेक्निकल एनालिसिस मास्टर सीरीज बाय चार्ट मोजो. It's going to be a set of videos that we are going to put up over the next couple of weeks starting today. These videos will be presented to you in a very structured and simplified manner so that you know how to apply technical analysis in your trading. Today's video is going to be an introductory video on technical analysis. So without any further ado, let's start. But before that, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and do share these videos with your friends and family who want to learn technical analysis but don't know where to start from. Now let's hop onto my screen. Hello and welcome to the Technical Analysis Master Series by Chart Mojo. This is going to be an introduction to the world of technical analysis. Also, we are going to talk about the topics that we are going to cover in our upcoming videos. So let's start with the topics. First, we'll make a video on Dow theory, then on candlestick patterns, then chart patterns. Later, we are going to come up with videos on lagging indicator, leading indicator, global market and its impact, and then on Fibonacci for technical analysis, volume analysis, and finally on confluence of various technical analysis concepts. These topics are quite exhaustive and extensive in nature, but we'll try to present to you in a very simplified and structural manner. We'll use a lot of examples, a lot of charts along the way so that you understand it quite easily. Here is a brief introduction to the world of technical analysis. First, we'll talk about the origin of candlestick charts. It was done by Mr. Monahisa Homa. He was a Japanese rice trader back in the 18th century. Then Steve Nissen popularized it in the Western world, and Charles Dow was the man behind technical analysis. He introduced Dow theory, on which we are going to make our next video. Robert D. Edwards and John Muggy popularized trend analysis and classical chart pattern. चलिए आगे बढ़ते और बात करते हैं अबाउट द थ्री प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ टेक्निकल एनालिसिस. नंबर वन, मार्केट एक्शन डिस्काउंट्स एवरीथिंग. इसका मतलब यही है जो शेयर प्राइस होता है इट रिफ्लेक्ट्स ऑल देयर इज टू नो अबाउट द कंपनी. नंबर टू, प्राइस मूव्स इन ट्रेंड्स. प्राइस या तो आपको अप ट्रेंड में मिलेगा या डाउन ट्रेंड होगा या साइडवेज होगा, बट प्राइस ऑलवेज मूव्स इन ट्रेंड्स. एंड लास्टली, हिस्ट्री रिपीट्स इटसेल्फ. इसका सिंपल मतलब यही है कि बिकॉज ऑफ ह्यूमन बिहेवियर प्राइस मूव्स इन अ सर्टेन वे ऑलमोस्ट एवरी टाइम. The reason being our human brain is wired in such a way, it functions in such a way that it tends to do the same thing over and over again. And that's exactly why patterns form in the market and people try to take advantage of the same. Well, that's it for today. I hope you have got a context of what we are going to present over the next couple of weeks. I'll see you in the next video in a couple of days' time. Till then, stay safe, wear your mask, and go out only if it's absolutely necessary.